Hey y'all, this trick is called the folding green triangle. It looks like this. I like to end it with that. So that ending is a flourish. We can talk about that. But the main part, I think, is pretty easy and very fun. It is this fold, and then you hop up and you're gonna hit the string, and for a brief second, you're gonna have that green triangle. The yo-yo goes in front, and I drop, and I'm done. Now, this trick, I think, has been done in some forms. I think some other folks have done this. I'm not sure who first found this trick. This is a move I found on my own, inspired by the folks who were doing folding, you know, Drew Tates and Jake Bullock and stuff. I think some people also had this move, which I'd also found, and that's the same thing. So let's start with that, and then we can talk about the upside down part. This fold starts with the trapeze. My throw hand pointer finger hooks the string, just like that, or you can even just place it in front. And then these thumb and pointer finger goes down, and I'm gonna kind of do like a rock the baby kind of thing. And just to do that one more time, I'm going here, thumb goes in. Notice my pointer fingers are going kind of down, then pointing towards me, and then just behind. And then if you let that all fall off your hand, you'll see you've got this kind of nasty little twist right there. And that's gonna be the part that gets you into that green triangle. So if we do it a little faster. So once you've got this part, which again, you could put all fingers in if that helps too, right? Just put your whole hand in and then put this here, and you are just going forward and down. I guess it's kind of important to note that you're not putting a twist in. You aren't going here, here. You're going forward and then down and behind. And once you've gotten here, you can grab this string closest to your pointer finger and pull it over your throw hand. And if you cross your arms, you end up in a cool green triangle, which again, I think a lot of folks have found. And then what I like to do is I like to hop up and uncross my arms from there, just to kind of end back up in a trapeze. All right, now let's get to the upside down green triangle. So you're gonna start with that trapeze, you're going to do that fold all the way through, let those two strings fall off your pointer finger. And now what I'm gonna do, instead of going on to the side, I'm just gonna hop the yo-yo up, and I'm gonna let go of this pointer finger as the yo-yo goes up, and for a brief second, you've got that upside down green triangle. It's important that when you let go, you also let the yo-yo fall in front so that the yo-yo does not end up getting tangled on the string again. So you don't want to catch it just up and down. You want to go up and to the front. You want to hit the string and then let the yo-yo pass in front of the string on its way down. So I could just stop there. I think this is a really fun trick. And, you know, if nothing else, you know now these two triangles from the folding. But what I like to do, what I've been doing recently from here, is I feel like this is a really good opportunity. This position that I'm set up in, where I go up and down, I just really like it. So what you're going to try to do is basically a branding on this side. So I like to go through, hop up, down, catch the yo-yo right away, and right away let go of this finger. And as this loop is traveling around, that finger that I just took out, I catch it cross arm. And then you can just untwine and end up in kind of a double or nothing. So doing that at normal speed. So you've got the upside down folding green triangle into that branding, that cross arm branding. And from here, you know, anything you want to do, you can uncross your arms, hook this finger in just for a second as you send the yo-yo out and catch it in a double or nothing type move. And then just drop that finger and sun out. One other thing you can do, I'm really getting a little complex here. One other thing you can do is after you've done that, you could try to drop that. Just drop that and then see if you can find something from there. I'm encouraging you to explore that concept because it seems like a fun hold. I hope you enjoy. shout out again to the folks who worked on folding and all those elements. Definitely check out Jake Bullock and Drew Tetz's videos on those. And I hope you enjoy.